Hello friends, welcome to Active Education Pro. In this video, we will learn the first chapter of Class 8 NCERT book, Rational Numbers. You know very well about number lines, integer numbers, positive integers, negative integers. Let's first do a number line. Draw a number line. 0, 1, 2, -1, -2, -3, and here is 3. This is a number line. These all are integers. -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3. All are integers. From right side of 0, they are positive integers, and left side of 0, they are negative integers. If we proceed from left to right, the number value will increase. The value of number will increase. 0 plus 1 plus 1 2 plus 1 3, etc. If we move right to left, from right to left, the value will decrease. They are positive integers. And these are negative integers. These are from 0, right side of 0, they are positive integers. Left side of 0, they are negative integers. Except 0, in a number line except 0, each integer has its own corresponding integers. It means 1 has its corresponding integer, which is -1. Similarly, the corresponding integer of 2 is -2. Corresponding integer of 3 is -3. Similarly, vice versa. Corresponding integer of -3 is 3. Corresponding integer of -2 is 2. Corresponding integer of -1 is 1. Normally, we use these integers in our mathematics for calculation. Yes, there are some numbers like 3 by 5, 2 by 7, -7 by 9. These numbers are rational numbers. These three numbers are rational numbers. We can't use it as integer, as counting numbers. 3 by 5, 2 by 7, -7 by 9, all are rational numbers. We can't use it as counting numbers in our mathematics application. These are rational numbers. First, define very well what is rational numbers. Rational numbers are present in P by Q form. P by Q form, where P is the numerator and Q is the denominator. P is the numerator and Q is the denominator. The numbers, rational numbers, are of P by Q form. P is the numerator and Q is the denominator. Yes, in rational numbers there are some conditions. P and Q. Conditions are P and Q. First condition is P and Q are integers. Maybe they are positive integers or negative integers. No problem, but they are integers. They can't be decimal number. Okay, they are integers. And the important rule is Q is not equal to 0. The value of Q means the value of denominator should not be 0, because if a question 3 by 0 is what? Multiply such a number with 0, which answer will 3. You can get such an integer to replace at the question mark. Again, I repeat this question. If denominator is 0 and this is a question for you, 3 by 0 is equal to what? Then 0, here is the denominator, here is the numerator multiplied with the question mark. Put such a integer at the place of question mark so that the answer is 3. there is no number we put here to get the answer 3. So q is not equal to 0. These are the main important two rules of rational numbers. The rational numbers is of p by q form. P is the numerator, q is the denominator, and condition is p, q are the integers and q is not equal to 0. Q should not be 0 because it means denominator 0 means the question is undefined. You can define the answer of this question. The question is undefined. Denominator 0 means the question is undefined. This question is undefined. Yes, you have many more questions in your mind right now. Rational numbers, the difference between rational numbers and fractional numbers. How to compare rational numbers with rational numbers? Because you compare 3 with 5. You compare 3 with 5, that's 3 is less than 5 or 5 is greater than 3. But if you have a question 2 by 3 and 3 by 9, you have to compare between them which is greater or which is lesser than the other. You will face some confusion how to compare the rational numbers. What is the difference between rational numbers, fractional numbers? There are many more questions in your mind. Step by step we will learn, we will clear your doubts. Okay. Rational numbers are of two types. First type is denominator is less than numerator, and the second one is denominator is greater than the numerator. You know very well, if denominator is less than numerator, rational numbers is of two types. First type is numerator is less than the denominator, and the second one is numerator is greater than the denominator. In first type, you know very well, it is known as proper fraction. Means numerator is small and denominator is greater than the numerator. 2 by 5, 1 by 3, 7 by 9, they are proper fraction. It is one type of rational numbers. And another is where numerator is greater than the denominator, means 9 by 4, 8 by 3, 7 by 5. These are mixed fraction. We can make it mixed fraction by dividing 9 by 4. 9 by 4. Your quotient is 2 and remainder is 1. So 9 by 4 is equal to, put the quotient as the whole number and write the remainder as its numerator and divider its denominator. 2 is the whole number, 1 is the numerator means remainder, and 4 is the divider is the denominator. This is the mixed fraction. When numerator is greater than the denominator, we write as a mixed fraction whole number 2 and a rational numbers or fractional numbers. So rational numbers is of two types. When numerator is smaller than the denominator, these are the proper fraction, and these rational numbers present between 0 and 1. Between 0 and 1. When numerator is less than denominator, the rational numbers present between 0 and 1. But in second type, when the numerator is greater than the denominator, these are mixed fraction. The rational numbers present between its whole number and its next number, means this number is present between 2 and 3. Whole number and its next number 2 and 3. Here if the number is minus 9 by 4, then the number present between minus 2 and minus 3. When we move right side towards right side, the next number will be 3. So number present between 2 and 3. When we move towards left side, minus 9 by 4 means negative integer. Negative rational numbers means it present left side of the 0. So when it's also whole number, if we factorize it, if we make it a mixed fraction, whole number must be 2 and then 1 by 4 is the fractional number. If we factorize is minus 9 by 4, then the mixed fraction is minus 2 1 by 4. Minus 2 is the negative integer and 1 by 4 is the fractional part of this mixed fraction. This number present between minus 2 and minus 3. In the case of positive rational numbers, we move next number means we move towards right side. At the time of negative rational numbers, we move towards left side as its next number, means minus 2 and minus 3. Here is a line, number line. Here 0 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 minus 1 minus 2 minus 3. If you have to spot 9 by 4 on the number line, if you have to spot these rational numbers on number line, it presents between 2 and 3 because whole number is 2 and between its own next number 2 and 3 itself and its next number 2 and 3, means in between them 9 by 4 is present. When minus 9 by 4 is to spot in the number line, on the number line, its whole number part is minus 2 and its next number will be minus 3, means moves towards its left. At the time of positive integers, moves towards its right to its next number. At the time of negative rational numbers, moves towards left at the time of its next number to find out, to spot the negative rational numbers. Thank you for watching my video. Please thoroughly clear your all doubts by watching from starting to ending of my video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, like, share, comment on my video. Please press the bell icon for latest update of my video. Thank you.